everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm dressed in neon and I did like some really colorful dramatic makeup because I'm about to go to a beauty blender party and it's an electric roller skating party, so I'm really excited and that's why I'm just all colorful and neoned out. Today my Boxycharm came in the mail, so I just want to do a quick unboxing with you guys on it. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. This is the first Boxycharm of the year, so I'm super excited. The theme is boxy and chill, super cute. So the first thing in my box is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And this looks really familiar. I think it's because Briogeo works a lot with subscription boxes. I think they work with Birchbox, Boxycharm, and Ipsy. So I do believe I already have this product, but I'm really excited to get more of it. The next thing is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 from Tarte. Last year, I think we got the Volume 2, and now they're spoiling us with the full-size Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Just want to get a closer look. This is so cute. It's like mermaid print and the inside. So it's literally all shimmers. Yeah, I'll see what I can do with this. I don't know if I can do much. I'm more of a matte person than a shimmer person. The next thing is a Starlooks Ultra Black Eyeliner Pencil, and it's a retractable eyeliner pencil, which I love. You can never have too many black eyeliners, so I'm really grateful to have another black eyeliner. Fourth thing in my box is a liquid lipstick from Ofra. And this is called Havana Nights, and I'm noticing now that Ofra has changed their packaging for their liquid lipsticks. I don't know if I like it better. It's just, I don't know, the white and the minimalistic look, like I understand what they're getting at. To me, it just looks like a little cheaper than their standard black round packaging, but that's not what today's video is about, so this lipstick is like a deep burgundy color. And the last thing in my box, and I think this is probably the best thing, are two Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Celebrities love this. I know Makeup by Mario loves the Tatcha brand. I know he uses them on his clients, so I'm really, really grateful for two of them. Like, these things in itself paid for the entire Boxycharm box for this month because they're so pricey. So I'm gonna treasure these and I'll use them only for emergencies. So that was my Boxycharm for this month. I know a lot of you guys wonder how much the Boxycharm weighs because you can tell by the weight which box you're getting. So spoiler alert, my Boxycharm is 15 ounces. So just in case you're wondering, that's how much it weighs. And yeah, overall, I think this is like an okay Boxycharm. It's just that they've been on such a good roll and the December box was so good. So since they spoiled us so much, my mood right now and my expectations are so high. So I'm just like, oh, I only get a Tarte palette and two Tatcha masks, but if you really think about it, that's a lot of good stuff. You're getting way more than what you paid for, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Boxycharm, go ahead and click the link down below so you can learn more, and subscribe if you haven't already. And one last thing before I go, my giveaway is still going on. I'm giving away a ton of makeup, so go ahead and click the giveaway link down below if you want to enter to win. And remember, the first step is to subscribe to LadyCode, so go ahead and do that right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.